this. So it's so fine. It's so fucking fine, Oraimo. I didn't expect it to be this nice. Hello guys, so join me to unbox the items I got from Jumia. Okay, so I got a couple of items from Jumia recently. So the thing is, I've already removed these items from the original carton it came with before the idea of doing an unboxing video actually came to my head. So we are going to be unboxing these items one after the other. So firstly, we are going to be unboxing this tuned by Burna Boy oraimo AirPods. So the thing is, I ordered this item on Jumia. There is this store I ordered it from on Jumia, but when they delivered it the first time, I found out that they actually delivered an entirely different package. Okay, though it was an Oraimo product, but it was not the toned by Burna Boy product, so I had to return it. I had to place an order for it from a different store. I think the name of the store is Redbox, so I placed an order from a different store called Redbox on Jumia. So they delivered the exact item that I ordered for. And you know, one amazing thing about this is that they actually gave me a free, yeah, I was actually surprised, you know, because it's actually been a while since I got something for free. You get, so when I ordered this from their store, additionally I also ordered this from their store too, right? I ordered this from their store too. So when I ordered this, they gave me this free I think it's just a head charger, yeah, a free head charger, a new age free head charger. And aside from that, they also gave me a note. Like, do you know that I keep saying that no matter how small you think your business is, packaging and appreciation really matters, you get? So they gave me this free head charger. I think that I can be using to charge the wristwatch and the earbuds. And they also gave me this note. So simple, but it actually meant a lot to me. You know, when I saw it, I was like, oh. So it was like, thank you for patronizing Redbox. We added a free charger head for you. Stay blessed, Redbox. So let me show you guys. So yeah, so I don't really know who owns this store, Redbox on Jumia, but however, I am so proud of them. You know, no matter how little, like a free gift and a piece of paper, you see this piece of paper, it actually lightened up my mood, you get? So let's just go ahead and unbox the video. So first let's just keep this behind, then let's start with this. Gosh, I'm so excited about this particular smartwatch. Oh, got this for 19,000 naira from the store, from Redbox store. So I got it for 19,000 naira. So let's unbox this. Like, I'm so excited about this right now, honestly. So let's unbox it. How do I open this? Oof. Woohoo! That was weird. I'm so happy. You know, I've been wanting to get this smartwatch for a while now. Even though I had an oraimo smartwatch, but there's some functionalities that this smartwatch actually has that I really like. Like, I heard that it can make calls and the rest of them, and it's also waterproof. So this is what it looks like. An Itel smartwatch. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Sealed. This is what it looks like. So just go ahead and open here. So we have this now. Ooh, why is this so hard? Ouch. Then this. Guys! 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 Woo! So it came with this. This is a charger. Okay. And I think that was why they gave me the charger head. I think that was why they gave me the charger head, because it didn't come with a charger head, so it just came with this. This is a charger, and this is it. Then it came with, what's this? Okay, this is the warranty card. 12-month warranty. That's just like a year at call care service or care service, whatever they're called. Okay, so this is the warranty card, so I'm just going to leave that here. So this is the manual. There's a manual, the user manual. So this is it, how to set it up and all. Okay, oops. So let's just go ahead and open it. So it came with a nylon here covering the surface. So let's just go ahead and open this. So this is what it looks like, guys. Yep. Wow, this is good. So let me just try wearing it and see. What do you think, guys? To me, I think I love it. I love it. I love it. So let me wear it and see. Woo! Imagine me being in the gym with this. Oh boy, oh boy. Imagine me being in the gym with this. Oh boy, oh boy. Hey. Slick, 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 slick. So let me just on it. I will have to set it up later, but let me try owning it and see. Okay, it's not owning, so I think I have to charge it. Yep. So I'll just go ahead and charge it later. So this is what it looks like. The Itel smartwatch. I got it. So let's go ahead and unbox the next item. So the next item we'll be unboxing is, ta-da! I'm so excited about this, guys, because I was actually using the Oraimo free portrait. I've been using it for a couple of years now. It was actually a birthday gift, so I've been using it. So I decided to upgrade, so I decided to go for this. Wow, I'm so excited about it. So guys, this actually came with a nylon, right? But I actually removed it before I decided to actually do an unboxing video. So though I've not opened it, I just removed the nylon before the unboxing video idea came into my head. I was like, let me just leave it. So we'll just go ahead and open this. So this is what it looks like. So this is toned by Burna Boy. It came with 365 days warranty. That's 365 days. That should be 1 year, right? So 1 year warranty. So this is it. So let's go ahead and open it. So let's just go ahead and open it. Gosh, I'm so excited about this particular one. So I think I have to. Why is this so hard? Why is everything so hard? How do I? Okay. Guys! Guys! Oh boy, oh boy! Oh! Whoa! Amina, let's see it. So this is what it looks like. Woo! Let me see, do we have anything here? Okay. I'm checking if it came with a charger cable. What's this? Why is all this thing so hard? Okay. Oh! It came with a card too. I told you that Redbox gave me a card. So this oraimo, so it came with a card. Let's see what it says. Music is inspirational, sounds are infinite, and like water, it has no enemy. Music lifts and heals a broken spirit. I have experienced it, and now so will you. Blessings from Bonaboy. Thank you! Thank you, Bona. Ooh, I'm so happy. So let's see what's this. What's this? Okay, I think this is the manual. Oh, but this manual is too what's like. So this is the manual. This is the manual. Yeah, this is the manual. Let's just go ahead and keep this here. Let's see if there's anything else. So there's nothing here. So let's check. Okay, we have actually checked this. Okay. Okay, so let's check if there's any other thing here. Okay, so I think it came with an extra earpod cover or whatever it's called. They need the charger. Why is the charger green? The charger head, why is it green? I was expecting it to be black. I don't know why it's green. Okay, maybe a rainbow brand color. So I think this is the extra cover. What's there? Oops, it came with 4 extra. 4 extra. So you know you're not unboxed the video. We are just looking at what it came with. Oh, I just have to put this here. Okay, drop that. Now let's do the main deal. So this is what it looks like. So it's sealed this way. So just have to open it like this. Open it like this. Open it like this. So it's so fine. It's so fucking fine, oraimo. I didn't expect it to be this nice. Oraimo, thank you. Like, this is so fucking fine. I never expected it to be this nice. Like, I've been wanting to get this for a while. And by the way, I got this for 63,500 naira. God, this is so fine. And then I never expected it to be this nice. I swear down. I never knew it was going to be this nice. This is so fine. So fine. I'm so happy. I'm sorry, when I'm happy I cry. I'm happy. When I'm happy I cry. I have to put myself together on camera. Okay, let's open it. How can I open this? Do I have to? I don't want to spoil it. How do I open this? I think it's the charger. Then I want to see inside. How do I open it? Oh, this is so hard. How do I open this? You have to see the manual. Okay. Push it that way. I don't want to spoil this, guys. Trying to. I did it! Oh my God! I'm so smart! Like, look at how I found out. You see this? I saw it here. Just have to, you know. No, please don't fall now. I just got you. Why are you falling already? So let's do that again. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Like, this is what it looks like. These are mine now. They belong to me. Wow. Wow. Do you know my YouTube channel has actually been lacking in some items, so this is just like a big upgrade for us, guys. This is just like a big upgrade. This is what it looks like, guys. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So you just have to remove this. Ooh. So I think this is where you charge it from. Oh. Yeah, California, California, California. I don't wanna lose you now. I'm looking at the other half of me. Woo! I can't wait to take this to the gym, guys. So, like I said, I got this for 63,500 naira. I got it from Redbox. I got it from Redbox on Jumia. I also got this for 19,000 naira, and I got it from Redbox too on Jumia. Then they gave me this. Yeah. So let's go ahead and unbox this too. Of course. Thank you so much, Redbox, wherever you guys are. So let's check it out. Ooh. Aww. It's so sweet. It's so emotional too. Thank you so much, Redbox. When did I receive something for free? Thank you so much, Redbox. I also got this. What's this? What's okay? Thank you so much, Redbox. So yeah, guys, that's all. So don't forget to subscribe and also give me a follow.